Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A new update related to communities or groups, I guess. Within the community, now you have the ability to invite members. So if you click on the invite members, here you have the option to just kind of send the link to the person. They get like a window where they can sign up, right? If you send a link like that, or you can just auto add people just like that. They're automatically approved. And also you have the option to make them admin as well right away. So that kind of makes it easier if there's just kind of shortens the process. You can just add them in here. And also another thing is themes is out of the labs now. So it's available to everyone in case you didn't know, just a reminder in case you didn't see the previous video. If you go to settings as an admin, there's a themes section here. Like you can see now, it's in dark mode. It's not just the usual light look that it had before, like this one, right? So dark mode, different types. You can do light mode, different types, right? And you can also do custom theme and change all these colors and make it your own if none of these ones kind of look good to you or don't fit the brand. So yeah, that's out of the labs. And yeah, inviting members, never been easier. So that's another cool feature that makes your life easier. And yeah, if you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, really, click on down below, 24/7 chat support, let us know, and we'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. So yeah, that's it for this one. I'll see you next video. Bye.